The good folks at Oil Preparation Equipment asked me to come out there and do a seminar with them. At first I wasn't sure about it because I'm a builder, not a floor preparer, but I'm very interested in the product, and from what I can see from their website, they're very professional. So I've just spent 2 days with them and it's been wonderful. I've learned so much. I had really no idea how the whole system worked, but the way they showed us, the gear they've got, the preparation they put into it, this was terrific. The floor itself was an absolute shocker to start with, and they've just made it a real gem. Their products that they use are first class. All in all, a great package, and I'm very pleased I came.
And attending this course over the last few days, I've consolidated my knowledge, and I feel that I'm probably capable of getting a superior finish like this in my own home. Starting with the theory component, Pyrafloor, who manufacture these products, are very well made by appearances, and without a huge outlay of cash, I might add, you can get a floor that's long lasting and beautiful. I think superior to any other surface that I'm aware of.